Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I got ready for Christmas. I'm gonna show you my outfit, my makeup, my hair, my shoes, even my jewelry. This video is sponsored by Anna Luisa Jewelry. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got ready, then just keep on watching. Before that, I would love for you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and yeah, let's get started. Feeling very touched. So first, I'm going to be applying some concealer. This concealer is from Sister Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be popping it all over my eyelids and blending it out just to create a even base on my eyelids so I can pop on some shadows and it will make my shadow look even more vibrant. I'm using the Violet Voss Holy Grail eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the shade Blue first, and I'm going to be just applying that all over my eyelids as a setting shadow as well as a transition shadow, and then I'm going with Are You Kidding Me shadow and applying it again as a transition shade. Finally, going in with Hashtag, it's like a really a popping, vibrant orange shadow. I love using orange as my transition shade, so I like to pop that into my crease as well. And then now I'm using the shadow Wine and Dine. It's like a burgundy, but not like a true burgundy. It has like a pink undertone to it. So I like to just put it onto my crease and only put it on my lid, like blend it below. You don't want to bring this all the way up to your eyebrows. Using the shadow Teddy Bear, it's a rich brown shadow, so I'm applying it all over my eyelids and also to my crease. I'm not going to bring my shadow all the way higher because then it's going to look a bit muddy. So here I'm cutting my crease using this concealer. So my technique is to just apply the concealer, look up, look around, and then the concealer will crease, and you can it'll just carve it for you, and that's like the best technique to cut your crease. Everyone has different eye shapes, so this is the best technique for me. So I'm so sorry I went out of frame here, but yeah, I just carved my crease basically, and I'm going to just pat it in and fill in the gaps, and also I'm gonna blend it with my ring finger so I get that perfect blend. So I'm using the shadow Ploof again, which is just a basic white shadow, and I'm just, patting it in the inner corner and setting in the concealer. For glitter, I'm using the e.l.f. adhesive glue glitter and also this NYX glitter, so it's going to be listed below. I kind of applied it on the top of my crease, and then I'm using the dodolashes in D313, applying some nude liner to my waterline, and finally applying some mascara. This is the Wet n Wild mascara. I'm also applying some shadow to the lower lash line. I'm only using the shadow Wine and Dine and Teddy Bear, mixing them two and applying it on the lower lash line. Moving on to the face, I'm first priming my face using the Becca primer. It is a super mattifying primer. You can literally see my face went super matte from oily skin, so I really highly recommend this primer. For foundation, I'm using the NARS Tahoe foundation. This is the Radiant foundation, and it's the shade Tahoe. It's pretty much like the perfect color for my skin. I think it's the perfect match for me, and I like to use this during the winter because it gives me that radiant, glowy skin look, which I really like. For concealer, I'm using my ever so loved Kat Von D concealer. It's in the shade D31. A lot of you had asked me in that top 2018 favorites what I was using, and I'm so sorry I forgot to mention. It's the Kat Von D concealer. It's my only favorite concealer. It covers up any blemish you have, literally makes your face look Photoshop, which I really like. Then I'm using the medium cream contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that one shade that I've used up, I'm trying to dig in and get more product out of it, and I'm just applying it under my eye to give me a brightening effect. And I'm also going to be contouring my face with the same contour kit. I'm using the dark shade, obviously, and I'm bringing it onto my jawline, under my lip to give me pouty lips, basically. Cheekbones, my temples, forehead, my nose, everywhere. I like to first place my contour like on my forehead, and then like after it settles in for a bit, I like to go ahead and blend it out. And then for baking, I'm using my Huda Beauty powder. I forgot the shade, but I will list it below obviously. And I'm going to be baking the hell out of my smile lines, because I don't know why my smile lines have been looking really bad as of recently. So I like to just push in some product onto my smile lines, and it prevents it from creasing. And then for bronzer, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Dark Deep Bronzer, and I like to smile and pop it right under my cheeks, so that way my cheeks look even more Botoxy. First of all, like everyone still thinks that I have something on my cheeks, but I just got it from my mom, and I understand why people think I look crazy, like my cheeks look crazy, but trust me, I hate it too, sis. Like I hate it too, and I really don't like my cheeks. But as of recently, I've learned to like embrace my shitty features. I'm making my cheeks look even more poppy and even more Botoxy. So the technique to do that is just to smile and pop it right under your cheekbone, so your cheeks stand out even more. Then for blush, I'm using such a sweet little subtle peachy blush. This is from NYX Cosmetics. It's called Strictly Chic, and I'm popping it right on my cheeks, like right on there. I usually bring it to my nose and my forehead, but I'm not going to be doing that today. Moving on to my lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in Urban Cafe. It's a super chocolate deep dark brown lip liner. I still prefer my Cork MAC Cosmetics lip liner, but this is not that bad for the price. But yeah, I'm first overlining my top lip. Like I heavily overline my top lip. And then I'm going in with some lipstick, and I chose like obviously a beautiful lipstick that goes with my dress. It's Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood liquid lipstick. I'm just applying it all over my lips, and yeah, we're pretty much done with the lips. For highlighter, we're going to be going in with the Nicole Guerrero highlighter. It's the 143 highlighter, and I'm using Forever Young. Mixing them two, I'm putting it on my cheeks, my chin, my nosy, forehead, my collarbone. I'm putting it everywhere just to pop all my bones out, basically. I'm finally setting my face, and for that I'm using my aloe vera setting spray to set this all over my face to give me a glowy look. My dress is from shein.com, so yeah, I will list it below if you're interested in purchasing the dress. It's really beautiful. It snatches your waist, and oh my god, I don't know, my figure looked really good that day. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. My shoes are from Forever 21 as well. And now moving on to the jewelry, I'm going to show you guys a couple of pieces from the website that you can go ahead and purchase. The link will always be listed below. You have a lot of choices: earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and rings. They have gold, rose gold, silver, everything. Like honestly, I was shook with your website. Simple yet feminine pieces, which is like all up my alleys. And the pieces that I received were so beautiful, so beautiful. And also you do get a 10% off if you use my code. I will list it below. And also you do get a 10% off your first order, and they do ship worldwide, which is amazing. Also, if you're interested in what I'm wearing the Napoleon chain, which is my favorite. Like when I saw that, I'm like, I need that. I really need that. I'm also wearing the Adina stacking ring, and this is the I can't pronounce this. It's Chin Lapis Lazuli ring. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It has a blue gemstone right there. It's my favorite out of all of the pieces, to be honest. And then also the earrings that I'm wearing, these are the flower stud earrings in iris pink, which is stunning. Like look at that, so simple but yet so elegant. Check out all their pieces, but that will be listed in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas and happy holidays to everyone who's watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.